Go, Cooper, go. Show us what you can do. Hi. Come here, Cooper. Come this way. Hi, Cooper. You want to come see Mickey Mouse? Mickey Mouse. Ooh. Ooh. Whee. Whee. Uh-oh. That's right. Let's get him move on. Come here, you. Oh, there you go. Yay, show us what you can do. Today is November 11th. Cooper is just over 8 months old now. Recently he started rolling quite well. Do some serious Supermans there. Hey buddy, come on this way. Earlier he was doing full 360s on his belly. And this is just to show just how quickly he can go from point A to point B. Well, point A to wherever. There's no rhyme or reason to where he's going at this point. But he loves to roll. Don't you, Cooper? You love to roll. Hi. Say hi to Daddy. Oh, there he goes. He sees something over there and he wants to grab it. You're so good at that, Cooper. You can do it, Cooper. He's so beautiful. Cooper, what is that? What are you trying to get at? Cooper, look. He's completely... Uh-oh. Now I've got to intervene.